Good morning student. In previous video we have completed exercise 4.1. In today's video I am going to take some questions from exercise 4.2. Here I take question number 1. Question number 1 is given. Check whether the given value of variable is solution of given equation or not. A example, x is equal to 5. Value of variable x is equal to 5 is given. Equation is given x minus 3 is equal to a. Here we have to check x is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation or not. For that what we have to do, here we have to take the left hand side of the given equation. What is the left hand side of the equation? X minus 3. X minus 3. Okay. In that we have to put the value of given variable x is equal to what? 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. Here we get the answer 2. But 2 is not equal to right hand side. This means value of x is equal to 5 not satisfy the equation. Therefore x is equal to 5 is not the solution of given equation. If it is equal, then it is the solution of the equation. Okay student? Therefore this is not equal to right hand side. Therefore here we write no, x is equal to 5 is not the solution of given equation. See the next example, x is equal to minus 3 is given. Equation is 3x minus 2 is equal to minus 11. Similarly here we take left hand side of the equation, that is 3x minus 2. Then we put the value of x is equal to minus 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 11. Okay, minus 11, this is the right hand side, is equal to what? Right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 is the solution of given equation. Therefore we write answer here yes. Yes, x is equal to minus 3 is the solution of given equation. See the one more example. Here I take E example. Y is equal to minus 5 is given. Equation is 7y plus 2 is equal to minus 33. Same method. Left hand side of the equation, that is 7y plus 2 is equal to. Here we put the value of y, that is minus 5 plus 2. 7 into minus 5 minus 35 plus 2. Here we get minus 33. Minus 35 plus 2 what? Minus 33. That is the right hand side of the equation. This is equal to what? RHS. Therefore value of y is equal to minus 5. Left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. Therefore y is the solution of given equation. Therefore here we write what? Simply yes. Y is equal to minus 5 is the solution of given equation. I hope student you understand how to check the given value of the variable is the solution of the given equation or the not. From question number 1. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Solve the following equation. Here we have to solve the equation. To solve the equation, remember one thing. First see on which side the variable is there. Okay. Here I take the A example, minus 12 is equal to x plus 5. This is the equation. Okay. Therefore, on which side there is the variable? On the right hand side of the equal side. Okay, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. What you have to do, you have to transfer the number on any one side of the equal side. If you decide, here we have to transfer the minus 5 on the left hand side of the equal, plus 5 on the left hand side of the equation. Then plus become minus according to transposing method. Remember this rule. When we transfer the numbers or the variable from one side to another side of the equal sign, you have to change. If it is in addition, then it will come in subtraction. Okay. Addition, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication to division and division to multiplication. Okay. This rule here we use to solve the equation. Therefore, if you transfer plus 5 here, minus 12 on left hand side as it is. If you transfer plus 5, it becomes minus 5 according to rule is equal to x as it is. Okay, therefore minus 12 minus 5, here we get minus 17 is equal to x. We can write x is equal to what? Minus 17. This is the required answer. Clear, student? See the next example. Here I take question. Let's see example. Equation is given minus x is equal to minus 5 plus 7. What is the variable term? Minus x as it is. Minus 5 plus 7. And same side numbers are there. Their subtraction is what? 2. Okay. Therefore minus x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus 2. Here we multiply both the side by minus 1. Clear? Minus x into minus 1, that is plus x, and is equal to 2 into minus 1, here we get minus 2, or we can change the sign. Clear? See the next example. Equation is given 3y is equal to minus 18. Okay. Now with this variable 3 is there. Okay. Which is in multiplication. If you have to transfer this 3 on right hand side of the equal sign, it is in multiplication, then it will come in division. Therefore here we write y is equal to minus 18. It is in multiplication. If we transfer, it will come in division. Minus 18 upon 3, here we get y is equal to the division minus 18 upon 3. That is 6 3 is 18, minus 6 is the answer. Okay. This is the required answer of this equation. Then next, if example. In this example, equation is given x upon 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now this 3 is in division with the x. When we transfer 3 on the right hand side of the equation, it will come in multiplication. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus 2 into 3. Clear? It is in division. When we transfer on other side of the equal sign, it will come in multiplication. Okay. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 into 3, that is 6. X is equal to 6 is the answer of given equation. Then see the next example. I here given 13p upon 3 is equal to 52. Now see, along with this p, 13 is in multiplication and 3 is in division. Here we have to transfer this number. P is equal to 52 on right hand side as it is. When you transfer 3 which is in division, it will come in multiplication, and 13 which is in multiplication, it will come in division. Therefore here we write 3 upon 13. Therefore P is equal to, now 13 ones are 13 fours are 52. Okay. Then 4 into 3, what is remaining here? 4 into 3. Therefore P is equal to 4 3s are 12. P is equal to 12 is the answer for the given equation. I hope student you understand how to solve the equation. Remember one thing, here we use the transposing method, and during transposing method what we have to do? While doing the transposing method, remember the rule, when we transfer the any numbers or the variable. Okay, if it is in addition, when we transfer it will come in subtraction. Okay, this means positive become negative, negative become positive, multiplication to division, and division to the multiplication. Okay, using that rule we can solve the given equation. Now note down your homework. Remaining example from question number 1 and 2. Same question number 1 and question number 2 are the homework for you. This is all for today, student. Thank you very much.